My good people, thank Baba God, when Baba God don't allow us see today. Today na another day for me to the yarn. But my yarn is today na about football. But before I go on for the football matter, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video, and don't forget to drop your comments when we see discuss about the goings. But before then, happy new month to everybody. But my yarn is today really got to do with Arsenal versus Manchester City. But I want to ask one or two questions. Why be say if Arsenal do anything, the team they always dominate everywhere? Even if Arsenal go do good thing, it could dominate press as if tomorrow no day. Another thing is not there for them to talk about. Arsenal trash Man City, defending champions. Arsenal beat them well, convincingly. Don't be say they should be on mouth. Arsenal beat them well. But no man, talk about the match, not talk about the other things. Normal bands they follow football now. People they forget the first leg. Wetin Haaland do? When Man City collect, wetin Haaland do? Haaland use body stone Gabriel head. Wetin Gabriel tell am? We go see for our house. And if truly they really see. I don't know why everybody they feel say na one kind thing. If na another person do na, everybody go dey hate them, say they show courage, they show determination, they show the zeal of a champion. Arsenal don't do their own. Everybody talk. Nobody talk about the good performance from that 18-year-old Skelly. Everybody just talk about the antics may follow the match, all those normal bands when they follow match. Nobody talk about how Foden they play very bad. But if they compare with Saka, and all of them don't wrong, they compare with Saka. See football now, Ghana office ball play. They play by the amateur. I don't understand. Talk about the match. Talk about Arsenal play very well. Arsenal be the better team. Arsenal dominate the champion from start to finish for the match. Talk about Thomas Partey good performance. Talk about 18-year-old good performance. Talk about Waneri wonderful goal. Talk about Rice showing say wetin make Arsenal spend 100 million for a year to buy him. Talk about those things. Talk about Havertz, even if that one miss opponent. Talk about the good goal when he score. They don't talk about that one. Instead, now wetin follow the match. Now Skelly celebration. The guy they react to wetin Haaland talk. I will not forget wetin Haaland talk for the first leg. Just now, wetin happen 4 months ago, everybody don't forget. But if na Arsenal now, all of them go dey raise shoulder. They say Arsenal do this one, Arsenal do this one. I shall not blame una sha. Now Arsenal may not go win title. If Arsenal win title, now everybody else go correct. Everybody go know how to talk to Arsenal. But more common joke sha. Don't be say I feel even the joke sha. Arsenal deserve to win the match. More na rest for the matter of say the celebration na Arsenal trophy. Now Arsenal this one. Before Arsenal talk this one, talk that one. I don't carry title come out. Title talk come out. More na chief for the title talk. More talk wetin happen now. There wetin happen na say Arsenal dominate the defending champions. Beat them. Well, not be Chelsea. They play that day. They use Chelsea rob ground. What did Chelsea play? With all their billion squad when they don't put for there. What did they see play? They don't fit turn up now. Arsenal turn up. Arsenal work on them. Haaland see ball play. Forget say the guy score, but if he play ball, you know, see, normally they born in normally against Arsenal. They born in a 10/10 performance. In see ball play when they come in as substance. You don't see ball play. So I don't know why everybody not talk about that one. Instead, they talk about what's no follow. Assuming say Saka did that match, Saka ain't played the way Foden they play that day. We for no year word, we not for they talk. Everybody go down they disturb people here. But I never say anything. Compilation go many. Me even surprised say Arsenal.com don't relax. When I even get us say match even day for midweek, no Arsenal won't play. Assuming say match not day for midweek, now see complain tire because everything they go here they bring compilation. They don't bring bench camp, bring this one, bring that one. I never see now the verse. I bet my people, make una not forget to subscribe, like and share this video. I see comment, make we talk, make we gist about this league title go. But anyway, I shall see believe say Liverpool. I see the front runners. Liverpool ain't get this title. But anything if you say Apple,